Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. And yeah, in today's video we're going to be making plantain lasagna, and I hope you like this video. Okay, if you want to see the process from the start to the finish, please keep on watching, and help your girl share this video. Okay, help me share this video and let it go viral. Okay, thank you so much. So without wasting much of your time, I want us to dive into this video. Come on. We put in the waste here. I'll just add more too. So we're going to slice this into two, just like this. So while the plantain is frying, we're going to wash and prep this bell peppers and onion, okay? And the remaining one, I will reduce our temperature. So I'm going to store this one in the freezer. We need only the chicken breast. That's only what we need. So I'm going to wash it again. Alright, so this is it. So we have fried our plantain, right? Going to lower my temperature. Alright, so we're going to fry our meat, our chicken first. And this is extra virgin olive oil. Add a little bit of salt as well. Bit of seasonings, paprika, ginger, alright, curry seasoning, straight together. Alright, so this has been frying for some time and it's properly done now. So our chicken is properly done and well cooked. Alright, into this oil we're going to add a little bit of that of oil, beef minced meat. Alright, so we need it as well. I'm going to add a chunk of butter. This is going to give it that beautiful aroma as well, that beautiful flavor. Okay, add a little bit of water so that it can cook properly. So while this is cooking slash frying well, we're going to be adding the same seasonings we added when we were frying the meat. Okay, just a tiny bit. You don't want to overpower this. add pepper. So this pepper is so spicy, so that's why I added a little bit, a tiny bit. Okay. Need to add we need one more and one Maggi cube. One now and one Maggi. So, alright. Like that. And at this point, we're going to add our meat. So good. So good. Good. I'll need to add a little, add this one. This is Cameroon pepper. Alright. And we're going to add more. So we just added more butter. Okay. Ooh, this is good. This is so good. Amazing. Good. Alright, so I just preheated my oven and this is it. The sauce is awesome. Layering this. So this is it. It's so beautiful. Okay, so we are going to transfer this into the oven. Remember, the oven has been preheated already. Just leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right. Okay. My lovely, so this is the end of this recipe. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you like it, and if you did, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up and help me share this video. Okay, I will really appreciate that. All right, so we are just going to see how this looks and tastes as well. Ooh, this is amazing. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Let's taste. Okay. It's so good. Please You need to try this. Like, I'm not saying because I'm the one that made it, but you really need to try this. Please try this with your family. I'm assuring you they're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next one. Bye bye.